This one is going to be quite quick and dirty, and there's a major update on the development of my low-code AI agent builder. I've shifted my focus to a new application which is designed specifically for YouTube content creators, and I'm gonna first show you how it looks, and after that I'm gonna explain to you why I decided to change my goal. This is the starting page of the application. You can add video URLs, and I'm just gonna copy a Alex Hormozi video and I'm gonna put it here. I'm gonna click on analyze, and this is gonna start the analysis process. It's gonna create a new page with the video inside, and it's gonna allow me to add even more videos where I can just use them in the end so that I can create a synthesis. But what kind of information do we get after the analysis finishes? We use AI agents for the analysis, and what we analyze is first we create a summary for the video, then we create the target audience. We basically extract it based on the content from the video. Then we try to find out what pain points this target audience might have. And finally, we create an empathy map so that we can understand the audience even better. Those points here are pretty short. You can click on Full Insights to get more information on this topic. So here's everything, but in a fuller format. In addition to this, you also have the comment analysis, where we get actually the comments from the videos being summarized, and insights from them are extracted. So you can see very fast what the users are actually saying in the video, and if there are any trending opinions, or if there is any gap, any information that's still missing in the video that you might be able to integrate in your own video and create something new and better. Not only this, but we have also the option to chat. I probably am over the text field. So under my head is the text field where you can type stuff and you can ask questions. You have the option to select different contexts. So you can either use the, let's say, the transcript for a context, or the YouTube comments, or you can leave this job to the AI agent that's running in my server that automatically picks the best type of context for your question and gives you the answer for it. So for example, let's ask what's the topic of the video in 3 words. Our agent starts thinking, it's going to pick the proper data, and it gives us the answers. It gives us the answer, which is scaling paid ads, and that's actually it. How to run paid ads in 2025. That's the video of Alex Hormozi. So with this tool, we can do quite complex analysis. We can ask stuff very fast without needing to watch the video or to try to read the comments and find the information in the comments. We can just ask the AI, and it's going to give us directly the information. Besides that, when we have more videos, when our list is full and we're happy with the type of content that we've gathered, we could use this tool, and this is a feature I'm still working on, to generate a new content idea based on the gaps and the requirements of the target audience, also based on the content that's already presented and based on the needs of the target audience. So this is how it looks. This is the new idea I'm working on. It's already live. It's partially done. The basic building blocks are there. I'm still working on this new feature that I just explained to you, and it's going to be ready. I have a prototype running. It just needs quite tweaks to get up and live in production. So here, just to say, if you want to test this tool, if you want to be part of the beta group, please drop a comment below or send me an email. You can find the email in my YouTube channel or in the description below, and I'll be pretty happy to work with you. But why did I decide to change my direction? Why did I decide to change completely my idea and build this completely different tool than the other broader tool that was targeting any possible use case? And the answer is pretty simple. The answer is that there are so many tools out there that achieve this thing that it's not even worth it to develop it. So I'm going to show you a couple of them. You probably know already n.penkow. This is my self-hosted version of it. It's open source, it's self-hostable, it's having so many integrations as I showed you previously. It's just the Swiss knife for automation, and in addition to this it has AI agent blocks. So everything that I wanted to build already exists in this single tool, but in addition to it we have Langflow, which again offers the same stuff, and Flowwise, which is the, I would say, 110% copy of my own idea. Basically, somebody came up with the same idea previously, and I was a bit too late to come up with it. So you can see it here, it's already running, and it's actually quite old already. It's a couple of years old, so very mature idea. I don't think I'm gonna be able to achieve the same maturity just in a couple of I don't know, months. So all those tools exists. For me, this is not worth it. And I was playing with n.penkow, and I was thinking, how can I get better? Like, how can I develop something that's actually needed and that's actually going to be used by somebody? So turns out, first you need to do market research, and you need to research your market very good so that you don't copy something else that's already existing. And chances are, if your idea is pretty broad, and if you want to achieve something that's pretty easy to achieve, somebody else probably has already done it. So do a proper research and find out if there is any tool that partially or fully has your idea covered. Besides that, concentrate on a niche problem. And usually those niche problems could be problems from your own experience, from your own life, things that you probably have asked yourself, is there a tool for this, and you haven't found? Well, that's a great opportunity for you to develop something new. And this was the case for me. I'm a YouTuber, a beginner in YouTube, and I'm struggling quite a lot developing ideas for my videos, then trying to do analysis, finding gaps in existing content, understanding my target audience, or understanding what the target audience might be willing to hear. So this is why I decided, what if I build this type of tool using AI agents? And of course, I used n.penkow before starting to code stuff, just to validate my idea. And I saw it works, but the thing was that it worked only when I prompted the agent properly. So when I was lazy, or when I was tired and I didn't want to write long prompts, I didn't want to give context to the agent, the outputs were pretty bad, I would say. But when I explained the stuff good enough, it worked. And it turns out that you need a structured approach if you want to achieve good results. And this is the idea behind the tool. Basically, I'm structuring the precise prompting of the AI agents so that every time anybody creates any request to the model, it gives the same quality of output and the same depth of information. So you don't have to manually go on OpenChat and ask stuff. You can just enter your video here by clicking on add video, adding the URL, and everything's automated. So this is the major idea behind why I changed directions and how I decided to concentrate on this new idea. For me right now, that's pretty interesting. I'm already drawing a lot of insights from the videos in my niche. And of course, if you're interested to test this tool as a YouTuber or simply as a normal person, drop me an email. I'm gonna add you to our beta group. Besides that, if you want to work on the tool, if you want to be part of this new thing that's getting developed, let me know again via email. I'm gonna add you to our developers group. And if you like the video, click the like button, subscribe to the channel, drop any comment, any remark that you might have below in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.